Alright, if you're tracking some of the problems that I had with the Stark earlier, ended up getting a new battery shipped to me from Stark, so they've been super awesome. It is very dumb how excited I am for this battery. Like, it even came looking sexy as hell. Like, I'm gonna sound like a huge fanboy out of this thing. I wish I could keep the crate, but I have to send the battery back. I'm gonna have to organize the garage a little bit, but I'm going to walk through the process of swapping out the battery and hopefully the joy of, hey, yay, it works again. Yeah, so hang out. We're going to walk through how to get through the battery. We're going to unbox this thing. It's going to be kind of cool. Maybe. We'll see. So yeah, I've never seen a sexier box. I think it's just dumb. It's dumb that I am this as physically attracted to this box as I am. But we're going to take this thing out and see how the packing goes. Super easy to get this down. Just had to bend all those tabs up. Now, I'm like oohing and ahhing for myself. So in the troubleshooting, they had me take off the fairings, get everything basically stripped down. There's, 6 bolts? Something like that to get it all done. Ended up taking off the carbon fiber piece as well. But holding the battery in place, looks like there's about 4 bolts. I'm going to end up having to take this guy off. But we'll go through each one of those. Got to put it up on the stand because you have to lift the battery or lift the motorcycle off of the battery. So it's a little strange, but we're going to get it done. Now, I did try to convince Stark to send me the new Stark EX Enduro version of the battery. They're saying they only put it in the Stark EX for now, so they wouldn't send it to me, but didn't hurt to ask. That'd be super awesome. It came out the day before they were going to send the battery out, so it was worth a shot. Pretty sure there's 2 on the bottom.
There is. It's...
There we go.
Yeah.
Alright, then you just slide this guy right off. A little bit of sand in there from the trip still. So when I was taking off the plastics, one of the bolts that was in the plastics, it is melted into the plastic. As I was taking it off, it must have torqued itself badly. Something stripped out of the plastic, so I had to basically rip it off. Let Stark know that was the problem and say, hey, no problem, we'll send you a new one. So again, customer support has been flawless. It's been awesome. All right, so quick tip that I just figured out. As I'm going to lift it up onto the platform, I realized because you take these bolts out, holding the frame together, you can't pick it up by the traditional method of the grab handle. So put it up on the stand before, or after you take the guard off, but before you take all the plastics off. Yeah, lesson learned. So Stark has a really good YouTube presence already, and they show you exactly what to do to take this battery out, step by step. Taking a look at that, they didn't remove this cover like I did. I'm going to have to take it off anyways for the battery replacement because I don't think the battery replacement comes with it, but they're showing, hey, you can just do it without it. Unplug these 2 cables. Got here and here, and that's all that's connected battery-wise. So we're going to take out this bolt, same thing on the other side, and we'll go from there. I love that Stark gives you all the tools that you're going to need. Handy dandy little toolbox. see. Oh yeah, perfect fit. All right. That has a tight tolerance, but it works. All right, one bolt down. Two bolts down. Got a third one right here, but I think I have to switch sides. Oh no, maybe that is just with this guy. All right, so got all the bolts out. So there was two on this side, or one on either side. One bolt that went all the way through here. One bolt that went all the way through here. Battery's unplugged. When I took out one of the final bolts up here, the battery dropped a little bit, so it's ready to pop out. Should be easy enough. I'm gonna have Michael continue to film as I try to lift it up. In the video, they show two dudes doing this. We're gonna see if one dude can do it, and I'll probably do it from that side. All right, well, you stand somewhere else.
Somewhere where I cannot get injured?
Yeah. They also took this off. I'm gonna try and do it without it. Oh, that is ridiculously easy. Okay, but... Oh no! Alright, that might be a necessity. Alright, let's take that off real quick. Front fender's off. 4 bolts, super easy. And we'll see if I embarrass myself by trying to do this. I feel like the battery's gonna fall forward because I don't have it fully back. We're gonna find out. Yep. That is exactly what took place. Okay. Wiggle it out at this point.
Alright. Oh boy.
It is definitely hefty. Okay, so lesson learned. You start with it a little bit further back.
Need to put a whole bunch of disclaimers at the beginning of the video.
Disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yep.
Alright, let's just see if we can finagle this.
Tell me to hold it straight.
No, we can.
There you go. That is heavy. And hear it.
Okay. So that's it.
Looks so weird.
Now, yeah. Now we're set for an engine swap. Just throw a 450 in here. Good to go. Just kidding.
Yeah.
Never gonna do that. Just kidding.
No.
All right. Well, let's get the other one unpacked and swap it out. Definitely a heavy battery. Now seeing that's where the majority of the weight of the bike is coming from, which is kind of super interesting. All right, brand new battery. Here we go. Let's go see if we can work our way around. I should have cleaned the garage before I did this.
Too many machines to be clean.
True. Okay. It's gonna be easy. You just gotta manhandle it in there.
Yep.
And we're good. All right. So I'm gonna try to see if I can sneak it in the same way I got it out. I mean, if it came out, it should go in, right? Now, no, maybe. I'm gonna move the bike. That seems like the easier answer. There we go. Let's try that. Two-person job, maybe?
Maybe I could look.
Hang on. We're gonna try and do it the way they do it on the video.
Alright.
Mount the battery here, slide the bike on top. All right, so already out of breath, just moving this stuff around, but what I'm gonna try and do, one man hand, see if we can just lift it up on top of it. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, we're closer. All right, we're getting there.
Get in there.
Let's see what the hang-ups are. There we go.
There it is.
All right, not horrible.
Yeah.
Easier than an engine swap. All right, cool. Let's bolt it all back together. See what happens, and I'll catch my breath. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, that was a little more effort than I thought it was gonna be. Still way easier than engine swap. Again, 4 bolts. Got everything torqued down here. Still out of breath. Got everything torqued on up here. So now we're gonna take off the caps. Reinstall this bad boy. Make sure I'm going on the right way. All right, I'm gonna turn to steer it. Came with a cover, so I'm gonna take the cover off. Oh, they're pressurized. All right, we are fully back operational. And we're alive.
Yeah.
It was kind of easy as that. The battery still needs to, so I'll charge it up. I'll get everything going. Need to charge the phone. I still wish it just came with a display. So you didn't have to charge the phone or lose the phone. I don't know. Not a huge fan. Love the bike. I wish it just had a standard display. Kickstand, still absolute trash. But the fact that had a dead bike, I've probably been working on this less than an hour. And brand new bike, we're good to go. Let's see, put it in gear, and she moves. All right, so I'll button it all back up, and then we should be good. I still just need to get the new side piece, the new fairing, and that's it. This is brand new technology. It's not going to be perfect. We should be good. All right, so thanks to Michael for helping me film this. It was definitely not going to be possible without an extra cameraman. You can still see a little bit of sweat. It's a heavy bike. Trying to do this single-handedly, I could see why, again, they do it with 2 people on the video. But the fact that I've been working on this for about an hour now, maybe a little less, did basically an engine swap when it comes down to it. You know, transmission's still fine, everything else is fine. But yeah, did a brand new engine swap, less than an hour, and I'm back up and running. It really can't beat it. And again, Stark has been amazing at all of their support. I mean, they got the battery out to me so quick. It's a shame that I have to send the other one back, but I don't know, maybe they'll let me keep the crate. I can't speak high enough for their support. It's been awesome. Again, I'm going to seem like a big fanboy on this, but for a $14,000 bike, they understand what you're paying for, and part of that is customer service. And they've done a great job at it. So thank you. Not that you'll ever see this, but still, thank you. Yeah, we're back up and running. This is awesome. Actually, one more thing. Super stupid to get excited about, but we hit 401 subs today. With all of the people that are out there making, millions of subs, millions of views, it's just kind of cool that there's at least 400 people that are like, hey, yeah, I kind of like watching this stuff. I don't know, it's kind of neat. So thanks. Hopefully this helped. It's fun to do.